Well, thank you, Steve. And today our first guest is Hope Clark, and Hope is with the firm Gatherwright Freeman and Associates. Welcome to the program, Hope.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, pleased to have you here. What services does the firm provide?
Gatherwright Freeman and Associates represents clients with tax problems, whether it's with the IRS, state or local tax agencies, whether they're in a personal or business audit or they're in a personal or business collection tax matters such as wage garnishments, bank levies, liens, payroll taxes, or they just need help figuring out a way to resolve their tax matters. We are a local-based company there to relieve the pressure and stress off of our clients by being their voice and guiding them through this process. Gary, it's a very frustrating and scary place to be if you don't know what to expect or know what the tax laws, regulations, and procedures are. That's where we come in to help them through this process.
Sure, I can appreciate that.
Our firm has over 100 years experience in dealing with the IRS, state, and local tax agencies. We do have a former IRS agent and attorney on our staff. We have enrolled agents who are accountants licensed to practice before the IRS, state, and local tax agencies. I'm an enrolled agent. We also have attorneys on our staff.
Okay. And what are some of the other areas that you specialize in?
We practice in tax court litigation, tax planning, criminal tax defense and investigation, business and commercial transactions.
Okay. What should somebody do if they get a notice from the IRS or from a state tax agency?
As soon as they get that notice, they should call us at Gatherwright Freeman and Associates. That way we can handle it in a professional manner. Our clients can leave our office feeling relieved, knowing that they're in good hands and that we're going to try everything we can to resolve their tax matter.
I'm sure they appreciate feeling relieved. Hope, what would the process feel like? What are the services that you'd specifically provide to somebody that has a tax question or a tax issue?
Well, we would meet with the client and figure out what which way to go with their tax problems, how to resolve that, whether it would be with an offer and compromise, which is a program that the IRS has created for taxpayers who have tax liability. They cannot full pay due to some certain financial condition. Some states and local tax agencies also have these offer programs. But if we are meeting with the clients and we feel they're not an offer and compromise candidate, there are other things that we can do to help, whether put them in a payment plan, do a penalty abatement release. If they have garnishments, their wages are being garnished, we can try to get those released, liens released off properties. As I mentioned earlier, we do also represent our clients in audits, whether it's a personal or business audit.
Well, it's an important service that you provide, and I'm sure you have many grateful and appreciative clients and customers.
Oh, yes.
I know you're located right in Crescent Springs. Somebody wants to reach you. What's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
Well, they would give us a call at 859-578-3000. I would also encourage them to look us up on the website, which is www.gfalegal.com. This will give them a better idea of who we are and how we can help them.
And I hope I checked out your website myself. It's very nice.
Great.
Thank you for joining us today. Good luck, and we'll be back in just a couple minutes.
Thank you.